Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings and tapping screen time so you can change rules that actually control apps. Authenticate with your screen time passcode if asked. Once you're in, go straight to app limits or downtime depending on where you set ignore limit. You're doing this now because ignoring limits is tied to the specific limit entry. Find that entry, then tap it to expose the detailed options. Make sure to proceed on the device that enforces the limit, so your change takes effect immediately. Once you've opened the limit entry, select the exact app or category that currently ignores the limit. This is where the toggle usually hides. Toggle off any allow at end of limit, ignore limit, or similar switch so the system resumes enforcing the scheduled restriction. After toggling, confirm the change and then review always allowed apps because those bypass limits. Remove any if needed. This ensures the limit applies consistently. Once done, the device will stop letting that app bypass screen time rules. Finish by syncing changes across devices if you use iCloud or family sharing so all devices enforce the same rules. Force a sync and then restart the device to apply changes immediately. Make sure to test the limit by using the app until the scheduled limit triggers. If the app still ignores the rule, check for profile or device management restrictions and consider resetting the screen time passcode if it's corrupted. These steps fix most issues. Try them, and the limit should begin to work as intended.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.